Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan Z and this is by Majorette from the racing car series. I bought this for MRP which is 399. And so let's I don't think I need a knife for this one. Let's So one more thing guys, since I changed the setup for these 2 weeks, so I want you guys to tell me how you guys feel about this particular setting here, because I am personally a die-hard fan of Spider-Man, so I personally love my setting. So I want to know from you guys, how what do you think? Okay, let me just take this out. Okay, throw this away. Okay, so as usual, let's start with the card first because I always love this card art and the detailing on this cards here. That's hats off to Majorette for doing this. Okay, here it is. Okay, so let's move to the casting now. Okay, so out of the box the casting is very light, to be honest, and it does have this paint damage here. I mean, because it is loose inside the packaging, it is not, fixated. So there are only I think only the vintage series is having getting that fixed treatment, I guess. That's what I can see here. Okay, so this is only specific to me. Yours might not have that issue. You can see here. I don't know whether it will go if I rub it. It didn't go. Okay, so the interior has nice detailing to it, and it has rear view mirrors, which is really nice. The livery is really nice. I mean, the black with red along with this red trim on the rims here, which goes really well. And my personal favorite, it has acrylic headlights, and the grill details are there. Not too detailed, but it is there, good enough. So I'm painted on top of it, and the Nissan logo is actually good. You can actually spell the letters here. So this is what I'm expecting from Mattel also. Even in premium, even in premium, it is not clear. So yeah, okay. So you have the tail light details also here, which is really nice. And this is a metal body and plastic chassis, and you can see the splitter here. That looks really nice. It has exhaust detailing here. That is good. Okay, it has openable part. It is a bit tight. It opens really well. Okay, so I really like that for this particular casting measure it went with clear windshields, so you can see the interior actually. It is not loose, it actually fits in place really tight, nice and tight, and it is not really that heavy. Okay, so the rims are actually plastic, these are not rubber tires, and it does have suspension. Yeah, it has suspension. So let's weigh this casting now. 36 grams, not bad since it doesn't have any metal chassis and all. Okay, let's see if this rolls. I usually don't really care much about measured rolling, but let's try. It does roll really well. The wheels wobble a little bit, front wheel wobbles a little bit, as you can see. Rear wheel also wobbles a little bit, but it does roll. It just it just bangs here. One second, it's going to that side. Yeah, it rolls really well. So okay, let's rate this casting now. Again, the paint damage is specific to me, so I'm not going to reduce anything there. So it does have all the detailing to it, acrylic headlights, painted tail lights. So this is kind of the semi-premium kind of thing. So I don't think there is any necessity to reduce any point on this one, if you ask me. So the windshield has some scratches again. That is specific to me, not yours might not have. So these things are, these things are, I'm not, I never consider for any brand, any brand which I am unboxing here, because these are specific to me. So only the, whatever it is common, that is what we are going to take for rating. So I don't see any issue with the casting, to be honest. So I would honestly give 10 out of 10 for this casting. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.